vibration creates a force. This force creates energy, and this energy travels at 700 miles an hour. It has amplitude, it has frequency, it has velocity, and it also has intensity. Intensity determines the distance at which the sound travels. Now, our interpretation of sound is a wave, but the reason why we interpret sound as a wave because sound is actually illustrated on a two-dimensional surface. But when you think about sound, sound is actually is sort of dispersed from a three-dimensional perspective, because it's sort of an expanding sphere or expanding bubble that just sort of propagates and disperses and dissipates depending on the impact that caused the intensity. So what is the relationship between the physics of sound and mental disorder? Sound travel at 700 miles an hour, but we can only hear between 20